phone. All that we're really doing is replacing battery. So anyway, let's violate this phone. But first, I will need tool. Tool. Really, the only tool that I need out of this thing, for right now, is at least pick. Later on, I will need the real tools. I did forget, we will need heat gun as well. Hold on, let me crank this bad boy up right there. 572 degrees. Let's blast this bad boy. I do have to be careful though, because this can damage the screen and the battery if I heat them up too much. Oh, I will need suction cup as well. And you may ask why I'm only doing one side in the bottom at the time. And that's so when I grab the phone, I don't burn the crap out of my hands. Whoa, I went turbo mode for a second. We definitely don't need that. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I need suction. Oh, not like that. Okay, there we go. Suction. Put that more towards the bottom. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Just like CoverGirl. Maybe it was Maybelline. I don't remember. You tell me. Come on, little guy. Then we just slide this bad boy along. Get rid of all that annoying adhesive that makes the phone nice and waterproof. I love these freaking plastic backs. They're so much more manageable than glass backs, because glass backs are freaking anxiety incarnate. And you can't tell me otherwise. Ooh, yes. Oh, my other camera died. Peel that bad boy back. Oh, yeah. Look at all that. Look at all that goop in there. We love the goop. Not Gwyneth Paltrow's, though. Okay, you go to the side. Okay, now is where I need more tool. I am search for tool. I have retrieved tool. We unscrew. Oh, we unscrew. I haven't eaten breakfast today, so I'm a little shaky, which is not great for this repair. I mean, it's fine. At least it's not something super delicate. Literally just a battery. Right, mate. Okay, I just needed to make sure the other guy, the other camera was still recording. I literally just charged the other camera too, which sucks. I don't have an extra battery for it. It is, of course, my close-up cam. I'm actually gonna move it out of the way so I can have more room here. Come on, man. Don't be difficult. And then you literally peel this guy off. It feels so wrong, I gotta be honest. This feels wrong. Okay, and then you lay there. And this is what I'm saying by it's a super quick repair. You literally do what I just did. Pop these three guys off. Replace the battery. It's crazy. Oh, what are you? I love so much that Samsung uses all of the same screws. It makes this so much nicer. What exactly is that? Okay, anyway, we can work around it maybe. Just a little more pullage did the trick. Attach the battery. Okay, boo. This guy back out here. We need pick. We also need alcohol. We're gonna get crazy, but not like that. And yes, alcohol is fine to put on electronics if you didn't know. Okay, so now, actually, I wonder if we can just suction cup this guy up out of here. Come on, give me battery. Give battery. Give me battery. Man, they really stick these things in here, don't they? Give battery. Give me. I want. Give. Oh, why not give? Please. Maybe if I say please. I really don't want to bend it. So we all know how bending batteries goes.
Oh, what's that? Oh!
That is precisely what you don't want to do. Oh my gosh, this thing is so annoying. Okay, back to this. Hello. Okay, you are getting really annoying. The battery works in this phone. The guy just said that it kind of sucks. Okay, now we're making progress. Now we're doing things. Get up under there, cut that adhesive. I don't want to heat the battery because obviously heating a battery is dumb. And also, the screen is directly under the battery, so that's all the more reason not to do that. Maybe now I can suction cup him. Oy! Come on, big guy. Just give. Oh, I'm so scared I'm gonna tear these cables down here. I need more tool. I need longer tool. Yeah, now we're getting up under there. Yeah. Yeah. Give battery. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. We have successfully extracted battery. Now I have alcohol all over my fingers. You get out of here. Now we're turning into an unboxing channel, guys. Welcome to my channel where we're unboxing premium battery XCAP Connect for iPhone 12 Pro Max, except that's not the battery that we need. We need XCAP premium battery, 100% health aftermarket battery for SS N20 battery for SS Galaxy Note 25G, made in Shuangji. All right, guys, so the packaging, very minimal. Wow, just a plastic bag, way to pollute the environment. I'm just kidding. I'm trying to be like one of those know-it-all toxic YouTubers who just unboxes things for the rest of their life. Oh, yay, they included the freaking thingies. These adhesive. I can't think of English words. Okay, I do need to get the rest of this adhesive out, though, before we do anything else. Okay, this is going to be annoying. Give me this guy. I want plastic scrapey tool. If I use metal scrapey tool, I have chance of puncturing the screen, which is those white spots right here. That would be great if I just don't. Oh, that was a good pull. It's almost like cheese. I don't know if that makes me grossed out by cheese now or if it makes me want cheese even more. Okay, you know what? The problematic goop is gone. Again, not Gwyneth Paltrow's, because that's still very around, whether you like it or not. Battery time! Okay, you go in there. Oh, wait a second. I have stickies for you. Good battery, sir. The stickies in question. Will that go like that? And then do I do a peel? Oh, this is incredibly annoying. How do work? It's not how I imagine them working. Ah, why is the other side sticky? That makes no sense. Okay, so that go like that. And now we do the peel. Oh my god. This is so awful. How do work? Okay, maybe this goes in there like that, and then it sticks to this side. I'm gonna hope that's how that goes. Maybe it goes the other way. Maybe it goes like that. I think it does go like that. Okay. We figured out the sticky situation. But, there you go. Now we stick battery guy in. There you go. Now you won't fall out when you're jostled. Who up jostling their phone right now? He is plugged in. Oh my gosh, dude. This connector is going to be the end of me. There we go. Plugged. There we go. Plugged. There we go. Very nice. Flip that guy back up. Oh, it's a connector right there. Very cool, Samsung. I'm sorry if my head is in the shot like 25% of the time. And now we screw this back in. I'm so shaky. I haven't had breakfast. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, whoa, and numero 6. Very nice. Oh, I forgot. There's also screws for this little side thingy that was giving me so many issues. Bingo and bongo. Very nice. Okay, now I can stick this dude back down. Okay, back. You know, honestly, I could just reuse stuff on here, but then that would suck. So I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna use T7000. There we go. If you guys have never used this stuff before, don't. Whoa. It smells like every marker just had an orgy and then got put into this bottle. Okay, now we can put the back on. Push it down into that adhesive so that we get a nice, sexy back, unlike Justin Timberlake. Very nice. Okay, that's back on. Perfection. Guys, I wanted to pop in here and say that you should join the Discord. You should do it because I said so. And also, you should like and subscribe. Also because I said so. Because if you don't, I'm going to sneak in through your window like Santa Claus and hit the like and subscribe for you on your device. Except you don't get the present. I do. So it's Christmas for me. So you should go hit the like and subscribe so I don't have to. Okay, bye.